The subject of your assignment this week is the animal kingdom.
Cool! I want to write about penguins. They're my favorite.
Mine are monkeys.
I love turtles.
Some species can live up to
Actually, tigers are my favorite.
180 years.
And badgers. And horses, deer, koala bears, lions, sea lions, and pandas.
Pandas are so cute. What's your favorite animal, Andrea?
Oh, bird of paradise.
That's a flower.
Close enough.
I'm so glad to hear all of this, girls, but I'm assigning the animals.
Oh.
You will work in pairs. Stephanie and Olivia, you two will make a presentation on...
I love all animals except one.
Parrots.
Parrots. It just had to be parrots.
Why don't you like parrots?
No reason.
Okay. Well, I know a great botanical garden that has parrots. We should start there.
Okay. No parrots in sight. Well, we gave it a try. Maybe they flew south for the winter.
You really need to tell me why you're scared of them.
Scared? Who said I was scared?
Spill it.
Well, okay. It happened when I was little. My mom and I were visiting a lady.
Finally?
Up to 2,000 words, which makes them my personal favorite new animal.
Stephanie rocks!